My name is Kyle Butler, and I work for Concept Systems. We're currently down here in Albany, Oregon, conducting an R&D effort to prove that the right robot and the right tooling can be effectively used to apply an edge brake to aluminum machine components for the aerospace industry. We found that we were able to process parts under real-world tolerance stack-ups and maintain consistencies that we believe to be about twice as fast as the manual process. This technology that we're using here in this R&D effort is fairly common in the automotive industry, and Concept Systems has taken that technology and applied it to the requirements of the aerospace industry, and Concept Systems is really leading the way in aerospace manufacturing.